Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. So I am at the supermarket and I decided to start the video right here because I'm going to challenge myself to spend 5,000 Jamaican dollars at this supermarket just to see what I can get. If I should go over the $5,000, the max is 6,500 and that's excluding burger meat that I want to purchase. So the burger meat will price up to about 8,000 something to be exact. But really and truly, I don't want to spend over 5,000. If I should go over 5,000, it's 6,500. So let's see what we can get with that challenge. So I'm just going to pick up a few old stuff. Budget is $5,000, and really and truly, I'm just pick up some things that I think the house needs. I'm at the file paper section. I do need a file paper, and the price them I see here so is what 303 for that. So I'm thinking about what I can get for the 5,000. This is the challenge. So this is Ada file paper, $239. I need a napkin. I do need a napkin. I like to have napkin and paper towel. So the jewel is for 188, so I'm gonna go with a jewel napkin. Sugar. The sugar I normally buy is white sugar. I'm a white sugar girl, but I'm not seeing any here. Let me look at down here if there's any white sugar. No white sugar here. So let me see what shop there. I have sugar for now, but I'm gonna leave that then. What else I need? The rice I get dear now though. I normally love these jasmine rice. 1,000 something feet now. Then for my $5,000 I'm not can go this so. Alright, let me continue. We did buy 5 pounds of rice the other day. I want to see that video there. I'm going to buy 5 more pounds. Just in case. So this already $1,000. I need 3 tissue. I like the classic. So I'm going to, I have some already, but I'm going to just buy 3 more. Remember the budget is $5,000. So I'm going to see if it can reach 5,000. Well, hopefully I get what I want for the 5,000. Milk. $500 for Surge Island milk now. Wow, I'm in a miracle. $500. Now buy that. Now buy that at all. I think we need cheese, but then not no we need Parmesan, but it's a cheddar. We have cheddar already. Oh gosh, I think we need one of them here now. The sliced cheese then. I think we need it because I go buy, but then they're too expensive. $700. Oh, I'm thinking, what do I buy? Should I leave it for now? Yeah. Worst case, I can buy one of them here and grate it. If that's a be the case. Cheese gets so expensive. Well, cheese is always expensive, but we found a piece here for $103. This for $92. I can go and do without. Egg. I think I need some egg, but I'm not gonna get the egg here. I'll get the egg at wholesale. let me see if I can estimate how much in here. So $800, 2 tin milk alone at 600, so like a 1400. So 2 grand in the cart already. Things are so expensive now. Grape, you know, look at the prices for grapes here. See here, grapes are normally expensive. Let me see. The apple, apple $3.92. I think I'll get this just to have apple. Apple, I have sweet pepper, I have tomato already, I have pokcho. You know, I always like pokcho, especially with saltfish. Yeah, let me know if you ever eat pokcho and saltfish. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this one. Cabbage get expensive again, I see. Look here, $598 for cabbage. $700. That's we have sweet pepper already. What else we need? There's something I need, it won't be on the list, but I have to get it. We need one soda. I really don't want a soda, you know. I'm doing too much over the holiday. Alright, so I might want to do some stew piece, but you see how much for them here? $400. I have them in the fridge. Oh shoot, guys, I need cherry and stuff for the ham. Let me look if them have no cherry. No cherry here. So I have to get cherry off of the shelf. So we need cherry and pineapple. Yep. We need cherry and pineapple slice. So let me see. Alright, we need corned beef just in case. But them corned beef here full of bone. Alright, I'm gonna buy the corned beef here just in case I want to do some stew peas. Salt mackerel. Some of them here I just make sure I buy them from now, so you can have them. I'm not really a salt mackerel fan. No, I don't love it like that. But we need some pig's tail. The money is full of fat though. Okay, this one here when I look so bad. It's a 400 and something. Remember the budget? And this. Hey, let me know how much you think it is so far. So I look on about $700 or so, plus that 2,000 odd. I think it's about 3,000 something already. Oh, I need a piece of saltfish just in case I go look about the hot chow. Yeah, $406 for this piece. Guys, I don't love saltfish either. Yeah, not a saltfish fan. No chicken. Then no chicken wing or nothing here, so. Although I have some chicken in the fridge from when I buy. Alright, I know I need the burger meat and I need some more Chinese sauce. My oyster sauce is finished, so I need to get oyster sauce, but when I buy that now, not within this budget. How much for them here now? The chicken burger for 1,800 odd. But I think I need it. Well, need or want, it's a want, but I'm going to buy it because I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it. Like, I think I need like baked bean. Alright, so then baked bean here in a bottle. I'll take 3 other baked bean here. So now I've got about 5 grams. 3 other baked bean. Okay, I need some ramen noodles. I like the creamy. Gonna take one creamy, one chicken, one creamy, one chicken, roast. The normal roast chicken. I love the roast chicken as well, but it looks like they're not on my roast chicken. So I'll just take another chicken. I don't like the shrimp. I don't like the shrimp. Alright, what else? Vinegar and stuff, I have those, I have ketchup. And so I think I need little oats. Yeah, I'm gonna get a oats. I like the Lasco oats porridge. I like the plain. I think I don't order that. I don't know my past type done already. And that's that. A tea bag. I think I need a tea bag. I'll take one of the Grace meat tea bag. Alright, excluding the burger, I think I need a disinfectant. Excluding the burger, I think I'll pass the $5,000. But the burger is not in it. But let me take up that one here. The pal. Put that over the corner there, so put the tissue and put this here, so alright, that's that. Alright, so the burger made of first last. Tell one of the package here.
Really?
Eh? Me at all? Yes. Oh gosh. Really though? Yeah. It's a rain gonna fall. The ear shell off of it. A girl I normally buy a bag, you know, so I have to buy it today. Alright, so let me see if we are within the budget. Open it over the budget. So it reached 3
one bag already.
Right? We did reach 3 5.
You not always buy bag?
Yeah.
You get a big one?
Me have only papa got the house,
hold
you know.
everything.
Oh.
You not always buy bag? You get the dearest bag.
Really?
Make up bag for the rest of the day.
You hear what she said? Alright, so it looks like I'm within the 5,000 budget, except the burger meat. Feel like it's going to go for the 5,000 still.
Yeah, go by a long time, because see the 4.9 there.
Well, still not bad at all. Alright, it reached 6,000. I'll take 6,003, everything come to. And the burger meat carried to 8,000. The bigger one, 5,000.
as you can see, whoa, I'm going to just do a haul right now to show you what I got. And as I said, everything came up to $8,551. The meat, the burger meat is for $1,897 plus tax. So excluding the burger meat, I paid like $6,100. So I went $1,100 over budget. So I failed the challenge because I'm gonna see other things we may never go in there for. So just showing you some stuff that I bought. Just do a quick haul. Alright, so far I got all-purpose cleaner. I got 3 tissue. I got this pop chow, $277. Let me get the receipt just to ensure. So just looking through the receipt, I got these 3 tin of baked bean. One of them is for $132 plus tax. I got this instant oats. I got the Lasco oats porridge. I like the Lasco oats porridge. I got 3 ramen noodle, 2 tin milk, salt mackerel, foil paper, apple, salt beef, and pigtail, just in case I want to do some stew peas, and also saltfish and the 5-pound Alberta rice. So this is all I got. From the supermarket. Let me know if you would have done a better job. Really and truly, I can't bother with the up and down with going different places to get different things. There are some things I get at the supermarket, some things I'll purchase at the wholesale. So this is it for here. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Please comment down below what you think you would have done differently. And I just want to say thank you again. See you on the next video.